Hello everyone, I want to share some tool that I use to create the documentation for the projects and Codecanyon. So because each of the items have to be also documented, well documented, so I'm going to show you the tools that I use to generate the documentation. It's called MkDocs. It's open source. It can be installed freely and use it. There are no limitation at all. To install, we can use a Python upgrade and actually install it on Mac. I use a Mac for that. The example is the documentation I have here. Everything is written in Markdown. I write everything I need. For example, I want to like this documentation. I want to add some more text, like the one I removed. Let's see first how it works. MkDocs server, create the server. It gives you a link you can open in the browser, so you can see it in the documentation how it renders and it will look like. It also can include some files, images, videos, for example. So let's see how I can change something here. For example, I want to add a thanks here. I just type it, thanks, save it, and it's added here instantly. Also, I can make it bold. It updates also. The most important that this can be easily exported in a HTML file and actually move it inside your item. So here I generate site. You can see here it generates this, right? And I can, for example, open it. Let's say well, you can see here it's exactly the same with the changes I made, and the whole folder can be zip it and put it inside your item.